That heavy, rattling feeling in the center of your chest is something nobody wants to deal with for long. You feel like you cannot get a full breath. Your throat is full of gunk. Then, out of nowhere, you see an advertisement for a tiny bottle that promises to fix everything. It is called the Naturva Lung Cleansing Spray. The marketing is very slick. It tells you that a few quick sprays under the tongue will melt away mucus. It claims to clear your airways in just a few hours. That is a very tempting promise for anyone who is struggling to breathe comfortably. This product is framed as a natural herbal solution. They say it is free from harsh chemicals. It sounds like the perfect, gentle way to support your respiratory system. But when you look past the shiny advertisements, the picture gets a lot more blurry. Some people swear by it. There are customers who claim they felt relief almost the second they used it. They talk about the rattling in their chest finally going away at night. For them, it feels like a miracle in a bottle. They love the convenience of the spray. But then you find the other side of the story. There are users who spent their hard-earned money and waited months for results. They used the spray exactly as directed for 4 whole months. They saw absolutely no change. Their breathing did not improve. Their cough did not go away. This huge gap in results is a major reason to pause and think. Why does it work for some, but do nothing for others? The marketing makes it seem like a guaranteed fix, but the reality is much more hit or miss. One of the most concerning things involves what is actually inside that bottle. There have been reports from users who found ingredients like ethanol that were not clearly listed in the ads. That is a massive transparency issue. If you are trying to heal your lungs, you need to know exactly what you are inhaling or absorbing. Your respiratory system is delicate. Putting unknown substances into it can be risky. Some people even reported feeling more discomfort in their lungs after using the spray for a while. That is the opposite of what a health product should do. We see these kinds of wellness trends all over social media lately. They use words like deep cleansing and respiratory support to grab our attention. However, these are very strong medical claims. Usually, claims like that require a lot of scientific proof and clinical studies. This spray seems to rely more on clever marketing and anecdotes than on hard science. You have to ask yourself if you are willing to gamble on something that might just be a placebo. Real lung health is not usually found in a quick fix spray from an online ad. It involves lifestyle choices and medical advice from actual doctors. If a product sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The convenience of a spray is nice, but it should never replace a conversation with a healthcare professional. Be very careful with products that promise to cleanse your body from the inside out without showing the data to back it up. Do your own research. Read every single ingredient on the label. Do not just trust the highlights in the commercial. Your health is way too important to leave to chance or clever branding. Always look for transparency and evidence before you try something new. It is better to be a skeptical shopper than to end up with a product that does not work or makes you feel worse. Stay curious and stay cautious.